Good morning and congratulations on making it into the second semester. Whether this means completing your first semester or now embarking at your final semester at TJ, you should all pat yourselves for making it through virtual learning. My name is Saidi.
And my name is Ananya. Today is Tuesday, January 26th.
Signups for small groups have been extended to Friday, January 29th. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up for a second semester small group to stay connected with others in this virtual setting. Check out the sign-up form at bit.ly/secondsemsmallgroups.
The TJ Writing Center will be hosting a creative writing workshop special on Wednesday, January 27th during 8th period. Come learn about different strategies and techniques to write the story you want to tell.
Have you been working on exciting research that you would like to share with a broader audience? Teknos Science Journal is now accepting submissions for its 2020 to 2021 edition, Volume 30. Every year, Teknos publishes scientific articles and papers, all written by TJ students covering their research. You can find the submission form and other details at tinyurl.com/2021teknosform. The submission form is due February 28th.
With COVID-19 affecting this year's winter sports season, the TJ wrestling team has possessed its own share of struggles and triumphs. A few members of the team revealed how they have adapted to the new VHSL guidelines.
With the days blending together, many students are losing the motivation that they once had doing what they loved. However, with the introduction of sports, some TJ wrestlers have been able to break the monotony of each day and have sparked their motivation once again.
Because we're practicing in person, there's not a lack of motivation per se, and we still have that strong team camaraderie.
All the meets have been they've been finicky, like on and off. Like when other schools have COVID scares, they get canceled and rescheduled. Even though it's been a lot smaller this year, I can stay motivated by like the environment when you wrestle, like having everyone like screaming things and like cheering you on is really motivating, and also just like the want to stay in shape, especially with quarantine and everything.
Although motivation has been high amongst the wrestlers, certain aspects of wrestling have had to change due to the pandemic.
There is a concern for safety and like spreading the infection. TJ wrestling is really small this year. We only have 7 wrestlers in total. So I think when we have the doors open, it's nicely ventilated and we each like take a corner, so it's really spread out. And we always wear masks during practice when we're not like sprinting and stuff.
Even with all these precautions, some students have been unable to participate due to individual circumstances.
I mean, there's this pandemic going on. It's crazy. But I have I'm very lucky to have both sets of grandparents in my house. And so 2 of them are diabetic, and my dad's mom has lung issues. Very convenient. So we really can't risk bringing anything into the home.
However, most of them are looking forward to competing with their team again next year.
I'm 100% coming back next year.
Rushiel, among other team members, are hopeful that their subsequent season won't be marred by COVID-19 and its repercussions.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and listen to the TJ TV Podcast Network on SoundCloud. For TJ TV News, this is Sahidi Atlari
And Ananya Chilkamari. Enjoy the new semester, and we will see you next week.